Alright guys, this is Infamous Rise. I know that rhymed, that's kind of funny. This is my new channel. Just in case you didn't know my old channel, that is TKLK021. I will put that in the description below. So basically, this channel is going to be for gaming and art purposes. So we're going to enter in with a ComicLife Mortal Kombat Jade little background or photo, I guess you can say. I'm not sure what it is. So we got our little ComicLife palette, and we have our images. So let's start. So with the first Jade pick, it's going to be like the main one, so you can stretch it out to the tallest of its ability. That's the main one, and then the second one is this one right here with Jade and her staff. I believe these are both MK9 picks. I'm not really sure because I haven't played on Mortal Kombat in a while. So let's see. So here we go. So for the background, we're going to do a simple white, a simple green. So I need to set a basic green to do this kind of stuff. Yeah, I'm used to using that kind of green, so I'm going to drag the color right here on down to over here. And these are my basic colors that I use. And we're going to use a gradient, so I'm not sure if I want to use a black or white. Since she already has black on, we're just going to use a white gradient, add a little bit more color. So here we go. And let's see, we're going to, since we have our picture already, our images, our renders, you can say. Basically, a render is a picture of a person or name or thing that doesn't have the background. So you can see I was able to drag this here. It didn't have like the little white background. That is because it is a render. So I usually go on Image Shack or just any other website, or sometimes Photo Bucket is cool too. I got that from my friend UzumakiSoupFTW. I'll put his description in the box below. So now, since we have our images and our gradient background, we're going to use lettering. So the Alexanderson part that you just saw, that came from a past one that I just did. So this one is going to be stuck as Jade. For the font, I'm not really sure what will fit that much of Jade. She is my favorite female Mortal Kombat character. I think my favorite female character out of all, anyway. But let's see, which one do I think would be best fitting? Let's see. I think Lithos would be okay, but let's just continue looking. Continue looking for a font. Continue looking for a font. Continue looking for a font. Okay. Let's see. I can't believe I don't have good. Ooh, this one looks good. Okay, we're gonna use this one. Case letter. Okay, so we're gonna stretch it out. I like using like the little blue dots instead of the green, but usually for the green, I'm going to use it just for this particular case. But I'm not finished using my blue dots yet, so let me do that. Jade. Okay. Is there a bold version of this? Because it's a little bit. Let's see. Okay, so sorry, I was just a little distracted there because I'm watching my wife and kids. Okay, so for the fill, we're going to do the green that I've already set, and since we've already used the white, I'm not sure if we're going to use the white or the black. let's use the black because it's basically her, and she wears green and black, as you can see, which is the colors of DX, by the way. He, D, Generation X, WWE. Look it up. Google, Yahoo, Bing, any basically internet search engine. So basically, we have the color here. Let's see. You want to do an outline or not an outline? We're just gonna do an outline just for fun. So for stop clicking no outline. Really? So I'll continue to click. Okay. So for this, we're gonna do a white outer outline and then probably a black or green inside. So what should the width be? No, it doesn't look too well. I'm surprised. That looks better. I'm not sure. We should just continue this way. Let's just see the white right here as it looks. Now we're just going to see the green as the alternative. So we're going to, let's see, I think we should use a little or thick. Let's get somewhere in between the letters, look separated. But you can still see it. That looks nice. So we're going to add a shadow to it. Let's see if we're going to use, I'm not sure if I'm going to use a complete, because I already know I'm going to use a black shadow. I already have, I don't know why I clicked it anyway. But let's see, if we click it, I want to take it to an offset going up, so it kind of like looks like 3D-ish, like, because it has like the little white framing on the outside. So it kind of looks 3D-ish, but not really. But anyway, you can either have it look exactly as the font or blurred. So exactly blurred. I think we should use somewhere in between so it has some definition to it. There we go. I believe we should add shadow to this too. Shadow to J too. It looks bossy. It looks like a spotlight or something. So in order for us to get that spotlight effect, we're just going to get a little bit dark. Kind of makes a difference, but it really doesn't that much of most of the time. So that would be good there. We're going to have a slight blurred shadow right there. And for this jade right here, this image, we're going to do the same thing. Have an offset. First, we have the offset. Yeah, we're going to have the offset going outwards to the left. Continues, and we're going to use slight ruler also. So basically, that is how you use renders, the lettering, gradient backgrounds, gradient letters, and shadowing. I'm not sure if I already said it or not, on ComicLife. So this is Infamous Rise. There's more to come. Leave a comment and just in the box below for the next character you want me to do. Let's keep a Mortal Kombat theme for like for the next 3, and then we're gonna change it up based on like the little themes that I'm gonna do. So the next video I want to make within a week or so. So that's basically it. So this is Infamous Rise. Comment, rate, favorite, subscribe, all that the good stuff. And I will see you guys soon. Peace.